Welcome to Great Canadian Radios. First on our list is perhaps one of the greatest Canadian radios, the Rogers Model 100. It's playing right now, the local station 1460 Seajoy. Let's just move up to the speaker a bit. This is a 3-dialer. This was the first plug-in AC set in the world. It was invented and produced in Toronto, Ontario by Ted Rogers. This is running off just a loop antenna. And this is a console radio. Now let's take a look inside. You can hear Simon and Garfunkel playing in the background. There's a large speaker connected to a driver. Had to use a little bit of masking tape to hold it on there. At one time this was painted black, but it's peeled off a bit. So this molded speaker, somewhat resembling somebody's large intestine or perhaps an elephant defecation, covers most of the top of the radio. Inside it runs off 5 type R32 tubes, and you might be able to see one in there. And perhaps one on that side. And here's a look at the AC power supply. There's a meter in there. And once again, this was the first AC power supply to replace a series of batteries. So this replaced the A and B supply. You still needed a small battery, as you can see in there, that I've hooked up a small 1.5 cell to run the C supply. The power supply runs on 2 type R100 Rogers tubes. In this set, these half-wave rectifiers have been replaced sometime by a full wave type 80. Let's close her up again. Here's an original ad from a 1925 Maclean's magazine for this same radio. And up closer, here's one of the revolutionary tubes developed by Ted Rogers to run on AC current. This is the R32. Somewhat reminiscent of Frankenstein's neck bolts. So there you have it, perhaps the greatest Canadian radio of all time. Historically significant, the Rogers 100. This is the Ace Eagle, signing off.